URL parameters listener contains an advanced feature that allows you to push information into the data layer before the container loaded event in Google Tag Manager. Now, this requires that you place this script above the GTM container on all of the pages of your website. What this will do is it will automatically, without changing any other settings inside of ListenLayer, push an event into the data layer called URL parameters before. And this will be pushed before GTM loads. This will actually parse information from the URL's query strings and push that into the data layer. The reason you might want it to be available before the page loads or before the container loads inside of Google Tag Manager is because you can then use it immediately on that first page load. Let's jump over here to our demo website. You can see we visited the site with a set of URL parameters. And when we look at our debug view, we have this event called URL parameters before, which loads before the actual page view activity, which is the container loaded message here. Now, the URL parameters before will parse the information from that URL and break it out into individual variables and values. Now, unfortunately, because this has to happen so quickly, we are unable to allow you to write rules to customize this data layer activity. But you can use the standard URL parameters event here, and you can write rules to push custom values into the data layer based on this activity.